Hi everybody, I'm walking down the street in the middle of the night. I'm actually walking in the middle of the street because the sidewalks, they aren't plowed at all, and the middle of the street is barely plowed, but I can walk in from where the cars were. I don't know, maybe it's dangerous, but it's worth it so I don't have to walk in the snow. The date today is, I think it's the 15th of April. I don't know. I'm going to watch the street, make sure I don't get hit. As I was saying, the 15th of April, the middle of April, it should be spring. It should be nice. It should be sunny. There should be flowers. Like everybody knows that that's what it should be like in April, right? Even in Canada, it's cold, but it's not that cold. Shouldn't be now, but we have a snowstorm. I think, look at the car, you can see how much snow there is. I think there's probably like 3 inches, 4 inches maybe. Oh, okay, there's a taxi coming. I gotta get to the side of the street. Okay. Right. Taxi's passing, so I can go back into the middle of the street again. Looks like up ahead there may be some snow clearing trucks. Maybe some truck, I don't know. Okay, there you can see some of the snow clearing equipment. And there's actually a police car up here because a tree has fallen down. So we're going to go up and try to see it. I think it should be interesting. It's like really slushy here. I'm going to cross the street so I won't get hit. It's like raining. There's a huge puddle here. I don't think I'm going to jump. Okay. Yeah, look. Huge truck. April 15th, you guys. Police car. Tree. See the trees falling down. You can't see it. But when we get up there closer, you'll be able to see it. I don't know what this is all about. This is like totally ridiculous, you guys. I like am not good at stand for this. I don't know what I'm going to do about it, but okay. Hopefully all this snow will melt tomorrow and we'll be able to get back to our daily lives. Well, everyone says we've dodged global warming, which I guess they also call like climate change and stuff. This is like definitely climate change. So I don't know, maybe this is a product of that. But in any case, I don't like it. I just wanted to do this video log because I felt like I needed to complain about this. Okay, I'm coming to another intersection. You can see what the trees are like. I mean, it's a little ridiculous. I don't know if the camera's like really bad, so I don't think you'll be able to see the snow in the air. But if you could, you'd be impressed. Believe you me. Okay, there's another taxi coming. There's another taxi coming in the middle of the street. So, oh no, he's moving, but there's more. Okay. I don't want to get hit, so I'm going to finish up this video vlog. But I'll see you guys later. Bye.